Hi, boys and girls. I want to give a shout out to Taylor. Thank you for letting me pet sit your turtle today. Anytime you want me to watch your turtle, I'd be happy to do so. Happy Reptile Day to your turtle. All right, so just here's some practice on writing equations in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, we're going to do the first one or two together. The word problems are always the most difficult. All right, suppose that the water level of a river is 34 feet and that it is receding, receding means going down, at a rate of 0.5 foot per day. Write an equation for the water level L after d days. So you want to identify your independent and dependent variables. I'm just going to say independent and dependent, and then you want to identify your slope and your y-intercept. So look at the statement here. It says write an equation for the water level after d days. So our two variables are water level and days. Which is independent? Which one keeps happening no matter what? The days. Okay, and then water level is dependent. Find the m. So remember the independent goes with the x. So find the m is the number that's attached to x, y equals mx plus b. Our slope is always attached to x. That's our rate of change. Find where the rate is, or find the word per. Find the number that's with the days, so per. So our slope is 0.5. And then our m is, what does it start at? It starts at 34 feet. So our equation is y equals 0.5x plus 34. And they told you to use other letters. They said L equals 0.5d plus 34. Okay. In order to join an online learning community, there's a $20 startup fee and a $5 monthly fee every month. Write an equation in slope-intercept form modeling the situation where C, the total cost, is a function of L, the number of months spent with the online learning community. So we have to identify our independent variable, our dependent, our slope, and our y-intercept. And thank you to those of you that keep following this setup every time. So what is it that they're telling us to do? We want to model the total cost with the number of months. Remember, anytime we're talking about time, so like months, that's usually going to be independent. So the number of months is independent, and then the total cost is dependent. All right, so see if we can find something that has to do with a rate, okay, or what has to do with the number of months. Well, it's a $5 monthly fee. So the $5 is the slope, and then startup is our y-intercept, so that's 20. So the cost is equal to 5L plus 20, or y equals 5x plus 20. All right, let's see if you can try these next few on your own. So number 3. For babysitting, Nicole charges a flat fee of $3 plus $5 per hour. Write an equation for the cost C after 8 hours of babysitting. And then, extra credit here. What do you think the slope and y-intercept represent in real life? Okay, what does it have to do about Nicole and her babysitting? All right, number 4. In order to become a member of a library, there is a $40 startup fee and a $2 monthly fee every month. Write an equation in slope-intercept form modeling the situation where C is the cost, total cost, is a function of L, the number of months spent in the library. So go ahead and try that one on your own. Number 5. A plumber charges $25 for a service call. Service call means that's how much they charge you just to come out to your house, regardless of what's wrong, plus $50 per hour of service. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the cost C after 8 hours of service. And then I have a table and a graph here for you to practice with those. So there is a total of 5, I believe, for you to do on your own because there's 7 and we did the first 2 together. So practice them. We're going to do a little matching formative assessment thing in class tomorrow. See how we're doing with this. All right. Have a good night. Bye.